Now, for some unknown reason, I think Uthandiswa is playing mind games. Uphila buza lo Mlisa ukuthi indodakazi yakho injani. How is she doing? What is happening now? What are the doctors saying? And I think lo Mlisa lo is falling into this and the trap. But the thing is, do we still have time? Why is she not moving faster? Like, oh, manje I'm sitting on the edge of the sofa and I'm like, yo, uzoze afike uSiza. Because Caesar said now it's the time where they need to do the ritual again. So now I'm asking myself, when is Thandiswa going to make a move on this guy and then uyabaleka? Because yo, goba manzunzu nkosi yami. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani yibukile hingengwina. So namuhla kana ngikwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors sila sithamsekange kahle, looking at the fact that uCastro ungathi, I don't know if he's having some seizure or uyashona, angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoCastro, ama withdrawal syndromes, I don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani, kodwa engikwaziyo ukuthi uphuma igwebu and then umfundisi got to know about this and phatha kuthiwa wayigakela uma igakela kadedi, I don't even know what is happening. Now the next thing, now the question is Ukaise going to go back on her words saying that I just want us to move on, because now that they can see the reason why this all this was happening is because uCastro ukon. On the other hand, again, they want to make a dress for her, but then now Umatha wants to be part of it, and Umama said, I don't think that will be a good thing to happen. On the other hand, Mr. Maya want and tried with a blackmail uSiza, but did that go down? It went south, because uSiza just was like 10 steps ahead of him and then showed him a video that he was not anticipating to see, and that did not sit well with him to a point yokuthi abo bhuti bangavuki laphansi. So inkonzo yaseKameleni did not play out, because now Umatha wanted some and he could not give some. He said nje ingulube ikhathele ifuna ukulala, and I'm just thinking Umatha was the one that actually sold him out and nobody's saying nothing. And I'm sitting here, I'm like, yes, I want to be, they can do anything and everything just to get on the seat of the throne. Yeah.